how to use 3 WhatsApp accounts in one phone. How to use 3 WhatsApp accounts in one phone. Let's say you have 3 phone numbers and you want all of them to be on WhatsApp. You want to use all of them on WhatsApp. What you do is to download WhatsApp Messenger and also download WhatsApp Business. That is Business WhatsApp. WhatsApp Messenger allows you to use 2 phone numbers on that single app, while WhatsApp Business allows you to use only 1 phone number. So in this case now, you use 2 phone numbers on WhatsApp Messenger, then you use 1 phone number on WhatsApp Business. That's making it 3 phone numbers all on WhatsApp. So the other 2 phone numbers, you are using them on normal WhatsApp Messenger, which you can download either on App Store or Google Play Store, while the remaining 1 phone number, you are using it on Business WhatsApp, which you can also download on App Store or Play Store. You just have to go to App Store or Play Store and type Business WhatsApp. Then the second app, which is a WhatsApp Messenger, just have to type WhatsApp Messenger. You are going to see 2 of them and download. So remember what I said, that the WhatsApp Messenger allows you to use 2 phone numbers on that one app, while WhatsApp Business allows you to use 1 phone number on this one app. So here now, this is WhatsApp Business, this is WhatsApp Messenger. That is normal WhatsApp Messenger. You can see 2 of them here. The next now, I'm going to show you how you can connect 2 phone numbers on this WhatsApp Messenger and switch between 2 of them. Okay, let's open WhatsApp Messenger. When you open WhatsApp Messenger, you are going to click on these 3 dots. When you click on that 3 dots, you are going to see settings. You are seeing this switch account because I've already added 2 accounts. But for you that have not added 2 accounts, then you can just go to settings. When you go to settings, you click on this account. When you click on account, you are going to see add account instead of remove account. I'm seeing remove account, or you are seeing remove account because I've already added 2, and the maximum you can use on this app is 2 WhatsApp accounts. Okay, so once you click on this add account that you see here, then you add the phone number you want to include there. Once you add the phone number, then you have already added it. It will start using WhatsApp automatically. Once you have added this, you can come back here, click on this 3 dots so that you can switch between the 2 accounts. You can see switch account. Once you switch, it's going to take you to the second account. Okay, it's switching. Once it switches, you can also switch back. So anytime, you can always use any of the account to message. Click here, you also see switch account, so you can always switch between these 2 accounts and manage the 2 phone numbers you have added in this WhatsApp Messenger. Then for the one you added on WhatsApp Business, it is just one account on WhatsApp Business, so you can always open it and access it. You can see it. It's exactly how you can use 3 WhatsApp accounts in case you have multiple businesses that needs or that requires different WhatsApp accounts. This is exactly how you can do it. There's still a way you can use more than 3, but just use this one whole body. Okay, if this video is helpful to you, do it to like, share, and follow our page for more of these kinds of tech videos, updates, and all that. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.